Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about projectile, definition of projectile, examples of projectile. Today, I am going to teach about derivation of some terms associated with projectile. That is number one, equation of trajectory. Equation of trajectory. Second one is maximum height. Third one is time of flight. And last one is horizontal range. Now we will derive the equation of trajectory first. Equation of trajectory. First draw through x-axis and y-axis. This is the origin. A body is fired on origin, reach the highest point P, then it falls back to the same level of projection, that is Q, with velocity U, with an angle theta, with horizontal. Here U velocity is split into two vectors, that is one is a x component and another is y component. U vector in x component, that is u cos theta, and u vector that is in y axis, that is u sin theta. We teach in last chapter, that is chapter 2, scalar and vector, resolution vector. U vector is divided into two components. In x component, that is u cos theta, in y component, that is u sin theta. First, we derive equation of trajectory. Equation of trajectory. Applying the equation S equal to ut plus half at square. Here S equal to x. Here S equal to, in horizontal component, S equal to x and u equal to u cos theta, t equal to time t, a equal to g equal to 0. Putting the value of S U T A in equation number S equal to ut plus half at square, we get S x equal to u cos theta into t plus half into g into t square. Putting the value of g 0, the term is 0, so x equal to u cos theta into t. This is the equation of x axis. Now Now in y-axis, applying the equation, s equal to ut plus half a t square. Here s equal to displacement in y-axis vertical direction, that is y, s equal to y, and u equal to that is in y-axis u velocity is u sin theta, and a equal to that is minus g. Minus is the minus sign is due to the opposite direction of gravitational force. So here a equal to minus g and t equal to t. Clear? Next, putting the value of s, u, a and t in equation s equal to ut plus half a t square, then we get s, putting the value of y equal to u sin theta into t, and a is putting a minus g, then it will be minus half g t square. That implies y equal to, we find the equation of trajectory, that is in combination of x-axis equation and y-axis equation. So putting the value of t in equation number 1, that is u sin theta into t is x by u cos theta minus half g into x by u cos theta square. That implies y equal to u cancel, so x sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta minus g x square divided by u cos theta square, that is g divided by 2 u square cos square theta into x square. This is the equation of trajectory. Clear?